In the world of construction, where keeping people safe and delivering high-quality builds are paramount, Procore takes center stage, empowering your teams to not just build, but to create quality projects in safe environments. Imagine a single hub where you can achieve all of your project goals. A centralized digital location where all project information seamlessly comes together, enabling you to track, predict, and enhance your project or portfolio's trajectory. Here's how Procore's quality and safety tools revolutionize project planning and execution. Kicking it off with action plans, you can standardize, manage, and track any process from quality and safety to development work and beyond. This tool ensures accountability and efficiency with its access to all the necessary documentation linked as references and records needed to achieve optimal outcomes and project continuity. Teammates can pull up an action plan and immediately understand what work needs to be done. For example, in this 3-phase quality plan, the superintendent can simply click here on this linked material delivery inspection template and get to work. Speaking of inspection templates, we offer many options out of the box. They are industry sourced, but also gives you the flexibility to make changes and customizations to your businesses and processes. Prefer to start from scratch? Quick Add makes this a breeze. Simply copy and paste inspection items from various sources, including files or web pages, to efficiently add inspection items to your template. You can even create and add custom response sets to an inspection, ensuring the most critical data is captured. The best part? Inspections are a cinch on mobile. Conducting site safety inspections, completing checklists, and notating pass or fail items can all be completed right from your smart device. And you can turn a failed inspection item into an observation to ensure what you're seeing in the field gets addressed. Choose the observation type, attach a photo, assign the responsible party, and provide additional details in the available fields. One seamless experience. It is also easy to generate, print, and post QR codes to quickly scan and then access items associated to the scanned location. And if any unforeseen incidents should occur, you can lean on Procore to help you manage that process and capture pertinent information, helping you to take immediate action. All of this data can be compiled into reports and dashboards to help you identify trends and analyze root cause, helping you to mitigate risk and improve your quality and safety programs. You can have confidence in your project compliance because Procore connects quality and safety to your project's financial and management tools, a true platform approach for holistic success. Say goodbye to scattered information and hello to centralized success. Procore empowers your team to create efficient, repeatable plans, ensure compliance, and deliver predictable results. Your journey to risk mitigation from project inception to closeout starts with Procore's quality and safety tools. Together, we're building more than just structures. We're forging a safer, more efficient construction industry. For more information, head to procore.com.